Hey there. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how you can get free local SEO audit reports so that you can send them to your clients so you can offer them local SEO service or maybe Google Business Profile Management services. And it's completely free to use. So be sure to stick around to the end to make sure that you see how. So what you're seeing here is an audit for the keyword wings for a restaurant that's located in Los Angeles. And what you're looking at here is that if someone's searching in this area here, this business would show up in the 11th position for the keyword wings. Whereas if they're standing right here, then they're showing up number 6, or over here, number 17. So this is a really helpful report to show your client or your potential client exactly how they're ranking or how they're not ranking so that you can then sell them a service that'll help them. So if you look at this keyword here for bar, this same business is not ranking anywhere. So this is a really good example of how you can help them rank for this keyword. Same goes for this keyword here of restaurant. So what you need to do to get access to this free tool is go to merchant.com. Then under resources, you'll see it says free local ranking audit tool with heat maps. It's free to use. So all that you need to do is go there and then say get access. Once you click this button, it's going to bring you to this page. That's it. There's no complicated setup, just a free tool that you can use. And you put in the name of the business that you would like to audit. So I'm going to put in the business Dagwoods, and I'm going to pick the one that I'm searching for. You could also put in the city if you don't find that business. And just know that if the business does not have an address on their Google profile, then this tool won't work. So you'll need to make sure they have an address public on their Google profile first. Next, it's going to suggest some of the keywords that you might want to audit for your lead based on what the highest volume keywords are for this type of business. So the ones that make sense for this one will be lunch, and I'm actually going to go ahead and add 2 more because they sell a lot of wings and their pizza is amazing. So you can only do up to 3 in these. What we're going to do next is say how big of an area we want to do the audit. So here I'm actually going to zoom it in and then say generate report. And this process can take a couple of minutes for the tool to go out and see where this business is ranking for each of those keywords in each of those areas on the map. So it's actually going to go and pretend that it's located in that area, do that search for that keyword, and then report back on how they are ranking. So let's let a couple minutes go by and we'll come right back. All right, we're back. It's been a couple minutes, and what we're going to do is look for the report that we just created for Dagwoods for these keywords and say view report. And what we can see here is for the keyword lunch, they're on average ranking number 18, which is terrible. So I would suggest that you go to this business and you say, hey, you're not really ranking when someone searches for lunch. So you can help them with that. If we scroll down, we can see for the keyword wings, they're actually ranking okay. They're not in the top 3 anywhere unless they're in the middle of the ocean right here. So you could also say we can help you sell more wings. And then lastly, if we look at the keyword for pizza, you can see they're actually ranking pretty well. So people know them for pizza. Google knows they offer pizza, which likely means that they've put a lot of work into their SEO for the keyword pizza, but haven't focused on these other ones. So what I would do is generate this PDF and save it as a PDF and let them know that they're doing great for the keyword pizza, but you want to help them rank for more keywords like lunch or wings or sandwiches or anything else that they might offer. And all users get 5 free credits every month, but if you need more, you can just click over here, say get credits, and you can either buy them, or if you're a reseller of our white label Google Business Profile Management services, you actually get 100 credits every single month. So if you want to learn more about that, then just log in and click here to learn more about that program. I hope you found this helpful. If you thought it was a cool tool, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel so you never miss the free tips and the free tools that we put out for marketers like you, and have a great day.